for better roads. Just add water.
Since the early 1980s, Felco Manufacturing has been developing innovative and enduring road watering tankers. This is a winning combination of advanced composite fibres and stainless and galvanised steel, with state-of-the-art electronics and hydraulics. The design has delivered a road watering dust suppression tanker that leverages operator skills to a level that hasn't historically been associated with the humble water truck. Liquid transport, especially inside road watering tankers under harsh construction site conditions, is a great example of the engineering challenges of fluid dynamics. During liquid transport operations, the vessel wall is subjected to constantly changing force states. Those forces, loading and unloading dynamically fluctuating stresses as the host vehicle accelerates and decelerates, rises and falls, and changes direction through corners. When all those stresses are engineered, especially in advanced composite fibre liquid tanker manufacturing, the objective is to dynamically disperse those forces away from any known failure points in a controlled and intentional manner. And that is why Felco's long development history delivers a winning design every time. Felco tankers are today fully evolved to deliver the longest service life, even in the world's most demanding conditions. By synergizing a proprietary and innovative layup of woven, random and bias weave laminates and carefully impregnating advanced chemistry catalysts and resins, Felco continues to build incrementally on decades of winning innovations to the benefit of Australian road watering operations. This complex form of engineering is not for the faint-hearted, and Felco's engineers and technicians have now invested decades into product development. And that is why so many of our clients keep coming back year on year. But this material development in tanker vessels isn't Felco's only winning innovation. Felco has perfected a very unique tank cradle frame, an innovation that minimises the transmission to the tank vessel of destructive road surface resonance and truck engine vibration harmonics. This is achieved using a proprietary two-stage floating frame system. Stage 1. The herringbone subframe is able to pivot and to float semi-isolated from the actual host truck chassis. Stage 2. The tank is then isolated from the herringbone steel subframe so that almost none of the rolling stresses are delivered to the tank vessel. In this way, as the truck chassis flexes, the tank vessel is safely isolated and cushioned from those potentially destructive forces. That is the key reason why the Felco road watering tankers usually outlast the trucks they are hosted on. To cap off the Felco value proposition, just look at the way the tanks are fully sealed during transit, all to keep the truck chassis dry. By using a proprietary air-operated overhead fill hatch along with a no-spill tank breather system, the tank is completely sealed during transit, thereby eliminating spillage even on the steepest work sites. And because water spillage is eliminated, chassis rust is denied a favourable environment and the road watering tanker lasts longer in service. And there it is. That is why the Felco road watering tanker has and will continue to elevate the humble water truck and pier operators to a skill level that everyone can be proud of. And that pride will show in every kilometre of road developed by your teams. So if you are looking for better roads, just add water.